Okay. So electricity, kilowatts versus kilowatt hours. People get really confused by this. So the other day I had a bunch of Prescott College students down on the Verde River doing a riparian ecology thing, and we finished and we're hiking out. We got to go 300 feet uphill. So we all start off together. By the time we get up to the top of the hill, they're sitting around waiting for me. You know?
Yeah.
You know that both of us use the same amount of energy going up the hill, right? The energy required to go up the hill is the same. It's just formula gravity times the altitude gain. But they use more power. They had more horsepower to go faster up that hill. So people confuse this a lot. You get billed on the energy you use, kilowatt hours. So APS generates their 64% fossil fuel. And so here's the breakdown in natural gas and coal. And they're 35% clean energy, which includes some nuclear, and 9.2% renewable. 2018 figures. Well, I'd love to get rid of all of this.
Yeah.
I'd like to get it all to this, but that's where they are now. The national average for electricity is 1 pound of greenhouse gases per kilowatt hour. APS average is about 0.8. So actually APS isn't as bad as some of the others. And that's, I think, due to this. Natural gas energy doesn't have the carbon load that coal does. This is a photo of Navajo Generating Station in Page. It closed December 2019. It's coal-fired. It emitted 20 million tons of CO2 per year. It was almost 30% of Arizona's total greenhouse gas emissions. It closed down because it was the dirtiest, one of the dirtiest plants in the United States. It obscured air quality throughout the Southwest and the Four Corners and impacted the health, $130 million a year worth of health effects, primarily on indigenous populations near the plant, the Navajo and the Hopi People. So these environmental problems are social justice issues also. So this is cool, this is hopeful. We've gotten rid of one plant, and now yesterday, how about this? I mean, the clouds have parted and the sun is shining in, and APS, who's put dirty money into electing corporation commissioners that would give them favorable treatment on rate cases. APS, who put tens of millions of dollars into defeating Prop 127 using lies, outright lies. And now, what a difference a change in leadership makes. This new guy, Jeff Guldner, he says the plan is ambitious and requires technology we don't have, but by setting the goal, the company will move in the right direction.
Wow.
Yay, APS. This was just a total shock, and so things are moving in the right direction. They're moving towards that tipping point. I want you all to help push,
Yeah.
right?